Good morning, spaceman, and everybody else this time. This is Captain Collins, and I have a very short tip for you. Maybe you're looking for a solution on how to get your profile changer, your GoXLR profile changer onto your Stream Deck working. Maybe you had this issue when you tried to do a GoXLR profile change and it always said waiting for info. This is a tip that I got from the TC Helicon Gaming Discord server. The link is in the description down below if you want to go in there and discuss about more things about the GoXLR. And there they said there is a solution for this. So you need to do a simple restart of both of these programs. You go into your taskbar, you right click your Stream Deck, you close it here. It's in German, but it's close Stream Deck. And after you close both of these apps, of course, both should be on the latest version. How to check that? The latest version you can get from here. Go on to this wheel and look for updates. It should be there. This is just the German version, like I said. And on the GoXLR, you do it by clicking on System and getting the software update, which is checking. And if both apps are on the latest version, close both of them so that they are completely gone. Then you open up the Stream Deck app first, wait for a second, and then open up the GoXLR app after that. And you will see that this is possible. It doesn't have to do with anything that there's an issue with the new versions or anything. It's just a communication issue between these two apps. And after you've done that, I will show you that I'm clicking my buttons on the Stream Deck. There you can see the profiles changed. Everything works. The Stream Deck works with the GoXLR app. Thank you for watching. That's your easy solution.